If you're new to this channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. So every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Okay guys, we're here outside the Parliament building. We have a reservation here. So guys, Wednesday our reservation is at 12 lunch, and these are the menus for the day. We can have maybe sashimi tuna salad, southwest chicken salad, quinoa salad. This is the, oh, you have to get ready what you guys want to order, right? So we're ready. Can you pick your meal? You have to pick your menus. Okay, look at that. So pretty. Yes. Hello.
How's it going?
Hi.
We're here at the Parliament building up in Victoria, BC.
Yeah, that's the menu.
This is our menu here.
We have a lunch. Today we're having a lunch, and we're gonna head after our lunch. We are going to have a tour inside. Looks like we're gonna be ready for 3 o'clock tour because we're gonna be still eating around 1 o'clock because the only tour available is 1 and 3 o'clock. So we are taking the 3 o'clock tour inside the Parliament. So we are here in British Columbia. This is the Parliament, Legislative Assembly of British Columbia. And here are the cast for the day. Very good. So stay tuned, guys. What are you having, Jerry? Just pick
I want the beef.
Who didn't get the beef?
Korean beef Kaiser.
These are the
Oh, this one. Korean beef.
Korean beef, Kaiser. Okay. Fancy, fancy. Ladies' washroom. This is inside the Parliament.
Along with tuna salad.
Oh, that's what I want to have. I'll just try some of that.
You guys can do that. We have 50th birthday celebration.
Okay, picture.
Point
That lady? She looks like Spanish.
not Polish.
Everyone sees that work.
But now you're not gonna work. Now you're not when you come back. Yeah, back you don't have to wear. I'm not gonna wear.
Daddy's having sashimi tuna.
I'm gonna eat it. You're blessed.
A salad. Sashimi tuna salad. And Ate get the same.
Guys, for me, I'll just go.
We're here. This is my birthday meal at the Parliament. This is where the politicians here in Canada dine in here. So Be nice, eh?
I don't know.
Maybe it was placebo.
Bro is here with us in Chile.
What's going on, guys? Today we're at the Parliament building. What's going on, guys? We out here. The Parliament building.
Thank
So
you.
much. It's a good time. What are you saying, Joe?
Get the food. It's very sunny outside.
We need a beer. Now.
Who said that?
Jiro, what's your food? Let me see, let's see. See your food, open it. Ooh, this is Jiro's food. Well, it's just
Angela, you're right. $5.
Fried chicken.
look at that with the parliament.
Butter?
I'm going to the ladies' room. Thank you, everybody.
Atile.
Mint. Oh, this is really good.
Excel, you know?
Huh?
Excel. Excel gun.
Okay, we just finished our lunch here at we just did we're just waiting for a cinnamon. Okay, we just picked up our cinnamon. Can I see the cinnamon? Open it, open it. Ooh, it's so classic.
Okay.
Jenny, come here. Come here. How about the handbands? Come here. What's in here? Okay, we're here. Okay, we're here at Coat of Arms of British Columbia. Coat of Arms? Oh, wow. The Hall of Honor is over there. What's this? it. Look, smile. Canada. Ooh, look at the top right there. Hmm? Kita naman dyan.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.